Good morning, students. Please welcome for another session of assignment. Previously, the question we did was comparatively easier because in that question we normally reach the solution in the in the very third stage. Okay? This time let's see our minimum requirement or minimum strikes. If it is not the actual one, if it is not the matrix one, matrix means, once again let me remind you, it's a question matrix form means 4 columns and 4 rows. Remember, last time we got the solution when n equals n. Let's hope this time also we get the same solution immediately. So we are starting with this one. I have already encircled, keeping in mind that you know the basics. If not, please go through my previous YouTube lecture and find how it has been designated. Once again, in every row, you have to select the smallest element. Here I have selected 0, here 12, then again 12 and then 18. Okay. Now, what we need to do? We need to subtract the 0 from every element of the first row. 0 minus 0, 0, 7 minus 0, 7, 14 minus 0, 14, 21 minus 0, 21. In the second row, we are having the smallest one 12. 12 minus 12, 0, 17 minus 12, 5, 22 minus 12, 10, 27 minus 12, 15. And so on, this table has been constructed. Clear? Nothing new because it has been done previously also. Now, from every column, you need to find out the smallest element again. But previously, it was from the row, now it is from the column. This A column, we have got 0, any 0 you can take. From B, 4, from C it is 8, and from D it is 12. Again, going to show the same procedure. You have to subtract the 0 from every element of this column. That is 0. What is the smallest one? 4. Subtract 4 from every element of B column. 7 minus 4, 3. 5 minus 4, 1. 5 minus 4, 1. And 4 minus 4, 0. Now this table has been prepared. Clear? Now what I have told you earlier also, that we need to cut, we need to strike all the zeros with bare minimum lines. There is no definition of bare minimum lines. Don't waste your lines in cutting the zeros like this. Once again, let me remind you, if there are 4 zeros like this, don't use this strategy. Please use this single line to cut all these zeros. This is called minimum lines. Okay? So here we are trying to cut all the zeros with minimum lines. These 4 zeros can be cut like this, and these 3 zeros can be cut like this. So how many stacks are there? 2. Clear? This means we will write it like this. N is not equals to n because this n represents number of strikes, which is 2. And this capital N represents the matrix, which is 4 into 4. So the solution has not reached. Now here the actual question starts. If not reached, then what we need to do? First we need to rub this one. Okay. Now what we need to do, the question lies still there, open, wide open. The intersection point, intersection means either it is like this, or it is like this, or it is like this. This is called intersection point. At the intersection point, you have to add, the smallest non-strike element. Non-strike means those elements from where line has not gone. That is called the non-strike or unstrike element. So here the smallest unstrike element is 1. What you need to do? From all the unstrike elements, number 1, you need to deduct 1. This is the first step. Second step, from all the intersecting lines, wherever it is located, you have to add this one. And the last one, if the lines are straight like this, don't touch. Okay, keeping that in mind, this is a single line, so keep it like this: 0, 0, 0. But here it is intersected. We need to add 1. Why 1? Smallest non-stack element is 1. So the entire game lies with 1. The entire game lies with 1 at 3 areas. Clear? The first area, only stacking elements, don't touch. Intersecting elements, add. And rest of the elements, deduct. This one. 3 minus 1, 2. 6 minus 1, 5, 8. It becomes 0. It becomes 1. It becomes 2. It becomes 0. It is 1. It is 2. It is, yes, correct. 0, 0, 0. Clear? Now, in another table has been formed. Once again, what you need to do, again, use bare minimum lines to cut all the zeros. Don't put it blindly like 4. Like this. 1, 2, 3. This is a bare minimum line. And once again, we have reached not to the solution. N is not equals to n because this time the number of cups is 3 and the matrix is 4. Again the same story will be repeated. And the story is, out of the unstacked element, locate the smallest one, and that is 1. Do the same theory. The theory is, if the line passes, stacked line, don't touch, intersecting points, add, and without lines, deduct. These 3 is the main criteria, main story, main headline of the story called assignment. So let's move. The small elements 1, strike, 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 intersected. How we will writing it like this? 0, 0, 0, and it becomes 2. This is 2. Strike, 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 intersecting. 2, 0, 0, 1. And these are the unstacked ones. I am still hearing it needs to be deducted. What needs to be deducted? 1 needs to be deducted. Why? Because 1 is the smallest element. So 4, 0, 0. This is the only striking. Don't touch. Don't touch means, it doesn't mean don't write. It means write it whatever written. 7, 1, 1, 0. And pray to the Almighty that this time our bare minimum lines should be 4. Okay? Let's pray. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you think that this can be cut with 3 lines, might be you may be correct. This means my solution is correct. It's wrong, sorry. So do your own homework to cut this with 3 lines. And if it couldn't be, then my solution is correct. Now 4 equals 4. So we have reached the solution. And what is solution? If I am going to give this job to Abhi, this means these 2 cannot be given, any assignment cannot be given to these 2 ones. Because this job has already been taken by Abhi. This means this job cannot be given to Vishwas or Chatur. So strike these. Now come to Vishwas. If you are giving this job to Vishwas, this means Vishwas cannot do any other job and this job cannot be given to any other person. Come to Chatur. If you are giving Chatur this job, this means, okay, and C job cannot be given to any other person. Now Danish is left with this job only. Clear? So what the solution is? The solution is, we will give Abhi job A, Vishwas B, Chatur C and Danish D. And the answer shall be, go back to the question, Abhi will get, sorry my friend, he is getting 0. Vishwas will be getting 17. Chatur will be giving or anything 22. Danish will be given 30. And in this way, you will get the total minimization cost. And if you still find it a little bit different, a little bit difficult, don't worry. Get back to my previous YouTube get my address, get my email, and mail me whatever query you are having. I will be waiting for it. Clear? Thank you.